Hello and welcome. Now the sale ends tomorrow. Yes, the plain fabric sale is on for today and we're going to also keep it till tomorrow for you. Okay, so once I give us a few minutes, we're just going to get started. Okay, give us a few minutes, we're just getting started and sorry for the delay. So here we go. We're on Facebook, on Instagram with our plain fabric sale that you're making the most of it. That makes me really happy that you're absolutely enjoying this plain fabric sale. Now today is of course going to be about the fabric that we've been showing, but this live is not a substitute to any of the other lives that we have done. उसमें हमने सारे fabrics cover किए. अच्छा, आज का जो कुछ theme है, which is going to be it's going to be about some new statement dupattas which will match beautifully with the fabrics that we are going to be showing you. So that is number one. और जो number two theme है वो ये है कि हम आज आपको जॉर्जेट फैब्रिक दिखाएंगे. सो अभी तक आपने लाइव्स में देखा है चिनिया, मूंगा, कतान सिल्क, सैटिन सिल्क, यू हैव सीन इट ऑल. And you've also seen mull tissue, you've seen kota tissue, so you've seen all of those fabrics. Now the last जो category हमारी रह गई है वो है georgette. So you're going to be seeing georgettes and you're going to be seeing some combinations with georgettes, and those lives are absolute must. सब कुछ posted है page पे. The offer ends tomorrow. Now whether it's going to be 6 p.m. tomorrow or late at night tomorrow, we will keep you posted. We are not clear on that yet. But it's going to end tomorrow evening for sure. So that's the last time that you have for it. But usse zyada, I think what is happening is that many of you are liking dupattas which are already over. So the idea is the moment you see it, and yes, first of all, very important, happy Guru Purb. So to everyone who is celebrating, I know it's a great morning, and I saw so many processions and really nice positivity coming through in the morning. So yeah, that's happening, and it's a holiday for many of you. So catch up on it and make the most of it. Okay, I'm going to get started with something that's absolutely new and it's beautiful, and that's going to be, one is this dupatta of course that I'm wearing. So yes, a premium black dupatta and absolutely no meena. Now this is also something that everybody's been asking for, ki bina meena ke one classic black dupatta. So that is what I'm wearing. Now you can see this. Here it is. I'm just going to show you this one beautiful black dupatta. It's in Katan silk. It's also from a new collection. जो मैंने पहना हुआ है black. Okay. So this is of course a yarn dyed black, but you can get your black Katan silk dyed. Okay, I said it yesterday that Katan silk post this sale, which is from tomorrow, from Monday onwards, it's going to go at a much higher price than the original 4,200 per meter जो पहले होता था. Also, I think the other fabric that we spoke about was mull tissue is also going to go for a higher range after the sale is over. So these two fabrics, yes, going so even, और अभी तो offer पे हैं, which is much lower. So you have a really big incentive to go for it. Katan silk right now in offer 3,600 per meter. Original price in dyeable 4,200 per meter. And post from Monday it's going to become 4,800 per meter. So you see the maths, it's a big discount on it. So get as much katan as you would like to go. This is the dupatta that you can go for. Now you can see this beautiful premium dupatta entirely in karwa, and it's one perfect one. So जितने भी मैं दुपट्टे आपको दिखाऊंगी, आप उसके साथ you can go for dyeable katan silk, and katan is getting made, and as it's going to get made, you can keep it will keep coming to you. But this is the most beautiful dupatta for today, which is going to be coming in 3 colors, and I'm going to start with this. This is a tussar with meena, and you can see the karwa work right here. Absolutely beautiful. सबसे जो stunning है वो इसका color है. अब इसके साथ what I want to show you is actually a lovely, how are you going to make use of the sale? You're going to match your looks. This is the look that you're matching for. Now look at that. That's a plain moonga, which is right now 1960 per meter. So 1960 per meter में आप इसका 5 मीटर में सूट बना सकते हैं, which is less than 10,000. It's going to be 9,800. And then you can do this dupatta. Now the dupattas are of course from a premium range, रियली ब्यूटीफुल, एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग। अब जिस तरीके से मैंने ये किया है इस तरीके से आप कोई भी दुपट्टा मैच कर सकते हैं मूंगा से, बट दुपट्टे मैं दिखा रही हूँ इसमें सिल्क इसी तरीके से मैच हो जाएगी। दैट इज व्हाट आई मेंट। सो दैट्स द फर्स्ट वन। नाउ इसी का जो दूसरा कलर है, and that is what I'm going to show you next, is this one. Now look at that. It's the most beautiful natural color. मैंने खोला भी नहीं है ताकि एकदम क्रिस्प रहे, यू नो, इसकी फोल्ड नहीं खराब हो। इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अस आफ्टर द फाइनल फिनिशिंग इज डन। नाउ दैट्स योर नेक्स्ट वन। दिस इज अ नेचुरल कलर। व्हाट विल यू डू? यस, आप सिर्फ दुपट्टा ले सकते हैं, सिर्फ कुर्ता ले सकते हैं। ऑल ऑफ दैट इज पॉसिबल। यही मजा है। दीज आर नॉट सेट्स which are woven together. These are the, you know, ensembles that we make. So therefore you have the ability. Now इसके साथ natural मूंगा दोनों ही डाइबल है, बट ये देखिए कितना सुंदर है this whole look. Now what we can do with it is that we can also do, instead of this we can just, but of course ये बहुत सुंदर लगता है. So first things first, look at that. Okay, but if you want a completely plain मूंगा look with it, that can also be done. So that's going to be really nice with it, a plain मूंगा look, and I'm going to very gently put it. This is मूंगा boota. Plain मूंगा is an offer, not on this one, but you can just go for a bottom. Bottom भी is in discount, so you know it's a great time to just kind of pick some pieces जिसमें आपको bottom चाहिए, bottom सब discounts में. इसका जो last color है, which is going to be this, which is going to be a black one. Now look at that. That's the last color of it. And yes, you can see the beautiful black. Black में black मूंगा will look fabulous. There's, you know, needless to say. Look at the dupatta. It's absolutely amazing. So you can see that. But what I also want to show you, if you want to wear black with a contrast, then you can do this. You can do the two softer pinks. Now this is the मूंगा silk, so it will look really nice with this. Or you can go for a dustier pink like this, which is MS19. That's the shade. You can match it with this, or you can match it with this pink. So that's also possible. ये दोनों ही है मूंगा silk, and of course 1960 per meter. Makes good for a great combination, or go black. Now the important thing is आज यही एक live है. You know, yesterday we did just one live. Today also just one live. अच्छा, we are also not doing the same thing. Like yesterday we did different fabrics, day before yesterday, and today is going to be the last category जो हमारी रह गई है, वो जॉर्जेट है जिसको हम लाने वाले हैं. In just a bit I will show that to you. So all separately and just kind of showing you things that they are. And एक दुपट्टा मैं जरूर आपको दिखाना चाहूंगी before we go on to the Georgettes is this one. This very dupatta. You have a brand new color right here, and yes, it was launched in Delhi. So much love for this particular piece, and you can see it right here. That's the dupatta, you know, so everybody launched, we launched it in, I think, in a black, and now we have these beautiful color. Look at that. And इसका मैं दो look आपको दिखाऊंगी that you can go for. Of course you can go for a red on red. Can I get the red वो पीछे there I can see there I can see the red. So I'll show you a red on red combination, which you can always do. I'm just showing you for a reference. You can go all red, but I think जो थोड़ा ज़्यादा मजा आएगा वो है purple के साथ. Look at that, because and I have two shades of purple. In fact, I have one shade of purple here, which is what I'm going to show you now. This purple is slightly darker, which is why I like it more. You can do this in Katan, you can do this in Chinia. Look at that. This purple and red, I think it's such a nice combination to wear. और इसमें purple का मीना है. So it looks really good. This dupatta is now available and it's absolutely stunning. One piece only. So yeah, you can see the dupatta right there, you know, with the Sona, Rupa and the Meena. Okay, from now on, let's go on to the Georgettes. I will start with the Georgettes, and beech mein I'll keep showing you dupattas as we kind of proceed. But as I said, har live alag hai, har ka theme alag hai. And you can see Georgette. Now can I have the, okay, now I have the rate list of Georgette. Georgette is also one fabric, pure Georgette. This is pure Georgette, and this is also one fabric that may go on a price increase from Monday. So this is also one of those fabrics. Okay, and right, 2950 at the moment at a full price. and in discount for 2500, which makes it 6250 for 2.5 meter pure hand woven full width georgette. Okay, so I am going to go, मैं colors आपको दिखाते जाऊंगी, and you can also go for what you can also go for is, look at that, there you go, that's the combination that you're looking for. Here it is. You can also go for just the fabric with the dupatta. अच्छा, दूसरी चीज जो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ वो है ये, which is going to be, look at that, it's a beautiful glorious color, which is kurtas. So जब when you want to wear a fancy nice kurta and sharara, then it's a great combination. This is one of our premium georgettes, 8,800 per meter. ये फैब्रिक राइट नाउ 2500 पर मीटर, 2.5 मीटर आता है 6250 का, एंड यू कैन वेयर इट इन कॉन्ट्रास्ट. ये बॉटम हो सकता है, शरारा हो सकता है, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो डू अ सेम ऑन सेम. वी कैन डाई इट फॉर यू, सो दैट्स ऑल्सो पॉसिबल. फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, दैट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल वन. नाउ दिस इज अनदर कुर्ता बॉटम कॉम्बिनेशन. ये है फ्रेश पे, ऑफकोर्स दिस इज द बॉटम विच इज which is basically dyed, and anything is going to look good. अभी थोड़ा सा फर्क है कलर में, बट लुक एट दैट, इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल प्योर जॉर्जेट का क्या यूज है. ऑफ कोर्स प्लेन सूट्स, you can do plain suits. Look at the beautiful color. Go for plain suits. Go for the bottoms. Try dressy silhouettes, which means that you can do basically anarkalis, garara, sharara, lehenga, सब कुछ possible है. Now look at this. This is a really nice color. And ये plain georgettes के colors हैं, which is right now at 2500 per meter. This is a green one, and you can go for this. Here it is. Now look at that. This is one wonderful dupatta, which of course silk मिले तो भी it's okay. Of course silk पे the rate is 4,900 for 2.5 meter, and for georgette 2.5 meter is 6250. तो अच्छा, कई many of you don't prefer georgette for bottoms, तो you can do a silk bottom also, which is again going to cost you lesser. अब थोड़ा सा brighter जैसे अगर मैं combination बनाऊं, so this is a really bright and nice combination. Look at that. Here it is. This is a wonderfully bright, and so you can do इसका बहुत सारा फ्लेक, because when you have these beautiful dupattas, so इसमें एक हमेशा अंदाजा ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है that you can do nice suits plain silks में. चाहे अब आपकी चॉइस है, plain मूंगा which is 1960 per meter, plain चिनिया 1960 per meter, plain कतान 3600 per meter, plain georgette 2500 per meter. ये सारे ऑफर प्राइसेस हैं. एंड नाउ लुक एट दिस ब्यूटीफुल कॉम्बिनेशन, वेरी वेरी प्रिटी. एक ब्लैक दुपट्टा, एंड ऑफ कोर्स ब्लैक ऑन ब्लैक कतान पे तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा ही. सो यू कैन डू दिस ब्लैक ऑन ब्लैक, बट इफ यू वांट टू ऐड सम कलर, आई थिंक इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल कलर. एक ये है, और मैं इसका मूंगा भी दिखाती हूँ आपको. लुक एट दैट. यू कैन डू अ मूंगा ऑल्सो. सो मूंगा भी है, जॉर्जेट भी है. आई थिंक द कलर, दिस वन इज परफेक्ट फॉर इट, बिकॉज but of course आप plain मूंगा चाहे तो we can dye it in that. So these are the sale of plain dyeable silk fabrics, the only time in the year. So and probably for a long time. So that's a really good incentive for you to go on. Now another same on same जो मैं combination बनाने वाली हूँ, but अब ये है कि आप this is a nice georgette kurta. And then you say that I want to wear a plain silk bottom and the silk bottom, you have georgette bottom, both of them on sale. Now that's your georgette kurta and silk bottom. ऐसे एक दो और silk combination में kurta and bottom की दिखाती हूँ जो बहुत सुंदर है. Contrast में I am showing you, ये खुद में एक पूरा outfit है. You can just take a plain chiffon dupatta with it, and of course you can do a same suit in base color. That's also possible. Now दूसरा है, देखिए अब this is one of our most beautiful look. Let me break it down for you, and I'm going to break it down like this कि मुझे ये, just give me the black also. See, this is the georgette, okay. This is our dyeable dupatta, design 1. Then I'll show you the design 2 also, okay. Can I get mats? 5 meters of georgette fabric and this 18,800 का दुपट्टा, और एक और mats मुझे अच्छा, give me this mats. 2.5 meter georgette and 2.5 meter chinia silk, because many of you prefer silk for bottom. And then 18,800 का दुपट्टा, and I'm going to show you that look right here. It's going to be 29,250, जिसमें 2.5 meter pure georgette for kurta, this pure sona rupa georgette dupatta, and 2.5 meter plain chinia silk bottom. You have a 3-piece suit under 30. अच्छा, सबसे बड़ी बात है कि ये जो लुक है ये किसी भी कलर में आप कस्टमाइज करा सकते हैं फ्रॉम द शेड कार्ड। एनी कलर यू हैव इन माइंड वी कैन कस्टमाइज द सेम लुक। प्लेन चिनिया सिल्क बॉटम, ये एंड दिस। नाउ द अदर वे आई एम गोइंग टू शो इट टू यू। ये एक दुपट्टा डिजाइन हो गया जिसको आप डाई करा सकते हो। दूसरा दुपट्टा डिजाइन ये है, दिस इज ऑल्सो डाइबल। एंड अभी ऑफकोर्स मेरे पास ये है, मैं इसको अलग हटाने वाली हूँ, बट आई हैव अ ब्लैक, सो आई शो इट टू यू अगेन। प्लेन जॉर्जेट कुर्ता, दुपट्टा सोना रूपा एंड प्लेन चिनिया बॉटम। सो लुक एट द ब्यूटिफुल, एक मिनट मैं इसको अब खोल के आपको दिखाती हूँ। दीज, और जो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ सारे ही शेड्स हैं जो जॉर्जेट के, जो आप कोई भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं। सो यू कैन गो फॉर एनी वन ऑफ देम। ओके, सो एक्सक्यूज मी, दिस इज योर लुक। नाउ लुक एट दैट, हाउ ब्यूटिफुल इट लुक्स। अब इसको मैंने हटा दिया। अब आप बोले कि मुझे ये डिजाइन बहुत पसंद है but I want a Katan silk plain suit, then you can do. Now Katan silk मैं आपको मैच बता दी हूँ quickly. It's going to be 18,000 for 5 meter plain dyeable Katan. Okay, any color. And then you have this dupatta 18,800. So करीबन 36,800 का पड़ता है। 5 मीटर कतान इन दिस ब्यूटिफुल दुपट्टा, अगेन एनी कलर ऑफ योर चॉइस। वही एक और कम मैथ्स में मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ। टेल मी, 5 मीटर मूंगा प्लस 18,800 का दुपट्टा, और इसमें मैं 3 स्टनिंग कलर्स आपको दिखाऊंगी, विच इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू। दैट्स योर फर्स्ट वन। ओके, सो लुक एट दैट, 28,600। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू क्या आएगा उसमें। 5 मीटर मूंगा सिल्क and this dupatta, just look how stunning the combination is. This is 28,600. that was the color 1. Then I'm going to show you the color 2, and it's a wonderful royal blue color. So ye dekhiye, this is a very beautiful royal blue. It's okay, and it just looks absolutely stunning. So ye 5 meter and the same dupatta that I was wearing in Georgette is now in Munga. Okay, price सबका same है, so you can go for any material that you like. Now I'll show you the final 3 colors in this. So this is again 28,600 for 5 meter plus dupatta. How beautiful it is, very versatile. Anarkalis, embroideries, ghera, straight look, all of that is possible. Okay, and can I have just the colors here for the Georgette, जो सिर्फ colors हैं। Now let's get the colors here, because I want to keep showing you colors also. Now I'm going to go back to the Georgettes and show you the colors. Now look at this. This is a wonderful burnt orange look. Okay, और colors आप screenshots ले लें. This is the burnt orange. It's beautiful. I mean, it's a wonderful color. You can get any dupatta, as I was saying. Now this is a peachish color, and you can see this is a peachish color. This is about number 23. You can see. This is very nice, beautiful color in Georgette. It's a peach color. So मैं quickly just colors दिखा दे रही हूँ आपको, because that's also important that you've seen the colors that are possible in it and how they look. This is color number 22. Look at that. It's a gray, and it's a wonderful light gray that you have. So that's the gray. This is the peach. Both very beautiful. Let's go on to the next. Now, oh, this is really, this is a soft, this is a peacock blue, and it's very beautiful. को एक color है जो screen में उतना दिखता नहीं है, but this is, so now let me show you something about our plain Georgette. Okay, this is how soft it is, and this is how flowy it is. I'm going to show it to you. Look at that. It's absolutely flowy. It's most wonderful. Okay, some more colors for you, and this is a shot of pink. Okay, I'm going to hold it up enough so that you can go for a screenshot of it. Okay, so you can just go for a screenshot, and once you send us the screenshot तो easy हो जाता है. Then we can just, so there is a hot tomato red. This is a beautiful pink. So many again styling possible with this. Now this is a wonderful wine color. So let's show you this. It's a wine color. Maybe you have those lightweight dupattas जो आपको पहनना है या आपको अच्छा लगता है, तो आप प्लेन जॉर्जेट के सूट्स पहने. द सेम वे यू नो आई एम वेयरिंग अ प्लेन सिल्क सूट्स, डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट यू लाइक. लुक एट दिस 2 कॉम्बिनेशन, इवन फॉर कॉर्ड्स, सच ग्रेट लुक्स टुगेदर, जो बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं. एंड दिस इज लाइक अ वेरी लाइट सनसेट, यू नो, लुक एट दैट सनसेट ऑरेंज काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. मैं हर में 2 कलर्स दिखाती हूँ, सो दैट यू नो आपको काफी, यू कैन कैच अप ऑन लॉट ऑफ कलर्स. at the same time. Look at that, it's a beautiful color. 2500 per meter, 62504, 2.5 meter. Now let's break it a bit. Let's go to this one dupatta. That's very, very pretty. In tissue, you can see this very nice color in tissue. Okay, now one fabric that's doing phenomenally well is multi-tissue. बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है. And again, yes, it is one of the fabrics that will go for a price revision at the original price from Monday. So yeah, it kind of makes sense to kind of really stock up on it. Now I'm going to show you the look. Look at that. This is multi-tissue natural color. This is a pink dupatta. Look how flawless it looks. It looks absolutely amazing. And you should just, you know, this dupatta 18,800. Very, very beautiful. Just go for it. Just keep it gently, please. Okay. So there you go on that. Now, what else? I have a lot, but I'm just going step by step. Okay. एक जो मुझे color दिखाना था आपको. And we're going back to some. ये इसमें क्या था? This was, now I'm going to show you. There is a blue. I want to go for a blue. So you can see the stunning dupatta, number 1. This is a very beautiful, beautiful dupatta. अब इसके साथ जो अच्छा लगेगा वो plain katan in the same color. So you should really kind of go for it. ये katan silk premium बानी dupattas हैं that are absolutely amazing. अच्छा एक जो look है वो red के साथ है. This is the red dupatta katan silk का. अब इसके साथ I'm going to go all red. Okay, so I'm going to go all red. Number 1. I'm going to go all red. So this is your one look. And then I'm going to go for this, which is, okay, many of you may know this color. This is a rose. And yeah, this is satin. So now satin. Oh yeah, aisa color I was actually thinking of wearing today. Maybe, you know, let's see. So this is the only live for today, guys. That's the main and important thing to remember. Tomorrow the sale will end. What time in the evening? I will let you know. It will end tomorrow. Okay, but it is also about what is available, what is not. So this is one beautiful red color, and today is a you know, it's Friday, it's a off day for many of you. तो बहुत अच्छा time है to kind of find your ones. Now look at this. This is a rose satin. You've seen me wear green. This used to be our earlier one color that we've made so much of it. It's our pink color, and it's in this light. You know, you can see this really light soft pink. जिस पे सब अच्छा लगता है. तो अब इस पे I want to show you one statement dupatta, and it's actually a masterpiece from today that I was hoping to show you, but now I can. And this is our newest rung cut, and I am going to show it to you like this. This is from our ultra premium range of dupattas, and I am showing it to you as I'm opening it right here for you to see. And we have tried this style for the first time, tissue and these beautiful colors all together. So there you go, our stunner, our masterpiece, one of the masterpieces. Each of these dupattas you're seeing, irrespective of the range, of course the range varies, but har mein jiski jo art hai, it is absolutely mind-blowing. One statement masterpiece from today for you, and here you go, this one. Now I took it out because when you have a dupatta like this, all you need is a base to wear it. Of course, इस पे red का base. Do we have a red silk? I think I had it here. One second. Yeah, we have a red silk. You can go for red and मैं दो combination दिखाती हूँ. First is red katan silk. Okay, this is how it's going to look. Your dupatta, and the other one that I have is actually a very wonderful satin silk, and I want to show you that now with it. This is the satin silk. Look at that. पहले तो खुद ही ये glorious है एकदम, this satin silk, and then you see this dupatta. I think more than the red, whether you choose this color, अब ये color आप कतान में भी ले सकते हैं, satin में भी ले सकते हैं, but जब आप pink के साथ पहनते हैं, you can see the beautiful look of it. I think it look absolutely stunning. So this is very, very pretty, and there you go. Now we're going to go on to one Patni dupatta. इसके बाद I want to go for this dupatta that I've been kind of meaning to show you. I'm going to keep the reds here. Now this one, now look at that. This is a wonderful Patni dupatta, and now is the time to go for it. So we're going to go, a Patni hai, itna hot color hai, so what looks very nice with it is a red. This is from a red satin. Now just look at how it kind of pops up. Of course हम green भी कर सकते हैं, but I just think that the red color in satin, so beautiful. Can you give me more of these? So that will look absolutely amazing. Look at that. That's the satin fabric. It's all things beautiful together. So, you know, and I'm also going to do, you know, basically you can be wearing any color on this and it's bound to look absolutely amazing. And there you go. Now this one is the black one. A black में मुझे कुछ भी और दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है because I'm wearing a black. इस पे तो black silk, black dupatta. That is what you should be wearing. It's going to look amazing. That's your dupatta. Silver zari, the tassels done, and all things. Look at that look here. So when you're wearing a black one and you want to make a statement, then this is going to be how it is. So yeah, really nice on this. Now the next one, a dupatta. Look at this. So yes, हम बीच में पैटनी पे आ गए because you know we want to do it now. You can do a contrasting green and silk. That would also be really good with it. थोड़ा सा मैं खोल देती हूँ. And you know you can go for a silk. You can get any color dyed. That would be amazing as well. So you know. So this is a beautiful combination. Wear it with a pink. Wear it with a purple. All things amazing here. कुछ of course colors हैं मेरे पास जॉर्जेट के जो मैं आपको ऐसे दिखाने वाली हूँ, but I will come to it. मैं अच्छे से भी दिखाऊंगी. Now again one fabric here. This is the red. Now you can go red silk. You can go red satin. Both the things possible for that one piece. So that is also there for you. There you go. This is okay. So this is from my side done. We will come back to the georgettes. बिकॉज जॉर्जेट्स हमें आपको सारे दिखाने हैं कॉम्बिनेशंस. तो कोई भी दुपट्टा अगर आपके मन में है फ्रॉम आवर कलेक्शंस we can be showing it to you. Now look at this. I'm going to show you this georgette dupatta. Here you can see this is one georgette dupatta. अब इसका जो ये 14,000 का दुपट्टा है एंड ये जो है 14,000 का है. ये 6250 का 2.5 मीटर है और प्लेन सिल्क बॉटम लेते हैं अगर आप तो अबाउट 20,000 you have a really nice full suit with it. Some wonderful colors. Can you open and give me so that I can just quickly keep showing these wonderful colors. ये lemon है, so look at the lemony color. Take a screenshot and of course you can just get these beautiful georgettes which you can then wear with any of your combinations. Very very versatile. Yeah. So this is now again the same concept जो मैंने आपको दिखाया था. जो आपका ये दुपट्टा है द 18,800 दुपट्टा एंड देन यू हैव अ मैचिंग जॉर्जेट एंड देन यू हैव अ प्लेन सिल्क एंड इट लुक्स रियली नाइस. आई थिंक इट्स सच अ क्लासी कॉम्बिनेशन. लुक एट दिस. मैं वापस दिखाती हूँ आपको. लुक एट दैट. अ शेड ऑफ ग्रे, सो वेरी डिफरेंट. सोना रूपा प्लेन सिल्क बॉटम. सो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी अ नाइस वन. नाउ one dupatta we showed you yesterday is this. And this is the linen one. It's been doing you know quite the thrill. It was shown in pink also yesterday. तो मैंने पहना था शाम में एक छोटा सा वीडियो we just done to update you. तो उसमें पहना था. Now you can do cotton with it or you can do this linen with it. It will look this georgette or premium chanderi with this linen dupatta. Look at the combination and same style we also have in georgette. So 26,800 वाला georgette we can do this. अच्छा एक कलर है क्रीमिश कलर इन जॉर्जेट जिसपे हर दुपट्टा अच्छा लगेगा. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी कि मैं क्या इसमें यू नो दिखाऊं और क्या नहीं. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल दुपट्टा. इट्स गोना लुक अमेजिंग. सो इस पे कोई भी जस्ट शो मी कैन वी डू दैट पिंक दुपट्टा. या सो आई शो यू वन पिंक दुपट्टा टू शो यू कि किस तरीके से नहीं नीचे मूंगा वाला. या सो आई शो यू वन दुपट्टा दैट लुक्स ब्यूटीफुल. या लुक एट दैट. So ये एक दुपट्टा है एंड ये एक न्यूट्रल कलर है. इस पे when you wear every color kind of looks good. I will also show you a red. Yeah, the red I will show you. It's a lovely red one. इस पे ideally I would say that you wear a silk. You know, look at that. It's a gorgeous because sheen जो है चाहे आप satin पहने इसमें चाहे आप you know and red and pink also looks very nice. चाहे आप इसमें कतान या जो you know कतान or satin. I mean, I would prefer that. But for the color reference, neutral colors look beautiful. So there you go. Some more colors coming up in georgette. And there you go. So yes, again, very deep, wonderful. Wear them as just a suit. wine color, even as a dupatta. You know, you can do lightweight dupattas. Look at that. You can do lightweight dupattas. So many of you prefer a full silk suit and lightweight. So uske liye bhi perfect hai wo. So that is one thing. Now this is the baby pink. Look at that, baby pink. You can do that. मैं पहन रही हूँ because that's such an easy way. Now I'll show you another thing. You do a kota tissue. Okay, wow, this is going to be amazing. This is a kota tissue fabric. You can do a kota tissue suit. जो 24/440 2.5 meter, and you can do this dupatta. So really good. It's very, very nice. And this hot yellow, you can go for. This is another color that you can go for. Look at that. Two very different colors where you can see. I love this. This is a green. It is yellow, but it has a greenish tone, so you can see that. And yeah, I think we're almost done with the colors. And I'm not showing you any color that we've already shown you, so that there's no confusion on that. Here you go. This. And basically the last color that I have for you, ye thoda sa, look at that. So there you go. This is light brown color. All of these are going to be absolutely amazing. This is a natural color. So ye hai. So look at that. Yeah, this is a natural color. So Stana, we are done with all the colors in Georgette. So that's the good thing. Ye bhi ek satin hai, and it's amazing. Satin silk, originally 8,800 per meter. At the moment for 7,040 per meter. You're saving 1,760 per meter. It's the fabric jo aapko, it's a great base, because but base hi nahi hai, it's so much glamour ek look mein, you know, it's a complete look. So if you're wearing the satin, I was wearing it in emerald green the other day. There is all other colors. Like if you don't want this hot color, whether you're going to be draping it as a sari, I'll show it to you. Whether you're going to be draping it as a sari, you know, satin saris, they look so chic, so stylish, nice blouse. A blouse ke liye मैं बोल रही हूँ, तो I'm going to say you'll have to look for our fabrics. We have so many statement ones, and then you're going to wear this. But एक combination मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ ये fabric. Yes, I'm going to show you one stunner look. Look at this fabric, a most premium brocade just arrived from Shikarga. That's the concept in black. So you can be wearing this, and then you can be wearing a super stylish chic sari in satin on this. Of course, liquid gold भी कल release हुआ है, वो भी आप पहन सकते हैं, but gold से ज़्यादा satin, because उसका gold और इसका अलग होएगा. So this is the satin, and you can do all black. कैसा लगेगा all black? ऐसा लगेगा. You're going to be draping your black satin sari, and then you're going to be wearing this wonderful premium brocade ka silk. Now you can do a jacket of this and a long satin gown. That's also possible. There are so many, honestly, different ways in which we can be doing these. Okay, and yeah, some dupattas that are at a great deal themselves. This is, look at that. This is 26,000. Such a hot pink, right? 26,000. Am I wrong? 28,000. Yeah. So 28,000. This is a very nice, again, different pink. इसके matching में हम आपको we can dye katan for you. इसका दूसरा color था ना वहाँ. So we will dye katan with that dupatta to complete your look. Now look at that. This again, this dupatta, if I'm not wrong, it's a 34,000 ka dupatta. 32,000 ka dupatta. Karwa, less weight, Meena, beautiful color. Again, you can go for a full look with it. अब बीच में एक blue मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ, which is a really wonderful blue. So you can go for it. Of course, मैं थोड़ा इधर देख रही हूँ because we usually keep a lot of bit so that we can give you the right pieces. Look at that, a wonderful Shikarga dupatta, also available in pink. और pink के साथ मेरे पास combination भी है. So you can see that you can go for a pink dupatta, pink suit, and yeah, in katan you can go for it. That's also really nice for going for it. Now of course, मैंने black पहना है तो मैं ज़रूर black दिखाऊंगी, but I'll show you two looks with this one dupatta. This is the black katan. With it, it's going to be amazing. Look at that. Here it is. It's silk bandi dupatta, black on it. The other thing that we have is this. So you can go for, you can go for this entire mehndi look also with it. I'm going to just open this one and show it to you. कि मेहंदी इस पे कैसा लगेगा. So look at that. It's a beautiful mehndi look. If you want to, no, it's a dark green actually look that you can also create with it if you want. But of course, black to black hai. There is no competition with that. So it's always super, super amazing. So that, and I'm also going to do one more look for that. And that's going to be this pink. So you can do, it's a nice Bandhani silk. We're almost at the end. I'm just, seeing that have I missed something? कि मैंने कुछ miss तो नहीं कर दिया आपको दिखाने का what I had planned. And there is only probably one thing that I've been thinking of showing it to you, which I'm going to now show it to you, is first things first, this gold fabric in satin. First, let me just open this for you. Look at the beautiful gold. Absolutely amazing. And the last thing I'm going to go with it are two dupattas. And you tell me what makes more sense to you. So it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, I have two dupattas. One blue. Piche. One blue. Okay, two nahi. I'll show you three dupattas. That iska orange. No, not this. Or okay, iska orange, and that's it. And then I have one more color, which is brown. So there is no color. There is no color which looks as rich as this to me. Look at this combination, guys. Yes, launching the beautiful new colors in this. Look at the chocolate brown. Oh my God, isn't that just amazing? Okay, so we have the new colors launching in it. Look at the, I'm just going to fill up your screen with this combination so that you can really see it up and close. Nothing gets more classier. But of course, at the same time, you say कि यार मुझे सिल्क या कतान ब्राउन में चाहिए डाई कराना है, वो भी हम करा देंगे. So that is also. Now look at this. कुछ बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. I don't think there is anything to be said. I'm just showing it to you as it is. One stunner piece launching today. So I did mention in the post today that we're going to be doing some statement pieces in dupattas, and I meant it. You have seen some of it already, and ye iska last bit hai. Let's show you the colors in this very gently. We're going to go one by one and keep it very carefully. This is our Shikarga range, and yes, when we say that Neem has the best dupattas, no matter where you are, the absolute best, okay, we mean it. Each dupatta, a masterpiece in its own way. This is in fact one collection, each taking the craft and the art of our bestest weavers to be made, and we have an entire collection of it, as you can see. Okay, so you have seen the first two colors. Now I'm going to be showing you the remaining colors of it. अब एक ये है, इसके साथ में एक थोड़ा सा I'm going to do a twist. Now look at this beautiful dupatta. Look at that. Okay. इसके साथ एक चीज है that we also can do. It's this. This is our two-tone Katan silk fabric. Okay, so this is not dyed. This is yarn dyed. This is not an offer, but this is absolutely amazing with it. These deserve that kind. तो इन सब में ये एक two-tone था और एक pink था. उसमें आप yarn dyed भी कर सकते हैं. बाकी सब में you can get it dyed even in this, and you will have a Katan silk suit with these statement pieces, and they will be absolutely amazing. The very last piece from today, that's all that there is, okay, is this one. So here it is, and I'm so glad to be showing it to you, these masterpieces which have just arrived in time for this fabulous offer that is going on. Now wear it with the same color silk, katan or satin, or wear it with gold. I will leave it up to you. The most stunning collection of Shikarga dupattas that you're going to be seeing. There you go. Beautiful, incredible. So 5 or 6 colors for you to choose from, and let me know what you like best in it. Here it is, this one masterpiece. So yes, the plain dupatta sale ends tomorrow, and I think it just kind of makes so much sense to kind of buy these beautiful pieces for the season of wearing, and you should kind of go for it now. I'm wearing a plain Katan silk. You can get it dyed in black as well, or any color of your choice, a tissue dupatta that you can never go wrong with. and 26,800, this beautiful pink shade. Okay, so we've shown you Georgette, we have already shown you Moonga, Chinia, satin silk, Katan silk, mull tissue, and Kota tissue. All of the fabrics covered, and of course organza, ombre yesterday, and liquid gold not on offer, but yes, we have shown it yesterday. All of that and this special live with these special dupattas are up for you. Go place your order. आज कोई live नहीं है. All the lives are done with all the categories. Now is just the time to find your piece and just close it right away. We do have worldwide shipping. Sale वाले pieces पे ये है 60,000 के above free. नीचे है 2850 single time shipping. इंडिया में 20,000 एंड अबव फ्री है, तो आप इंडिया में शिप करा रहे हैं तो 20,000 अबव, नीचे उसके 250 है फॉर इंडिया शिपिंग. कैश ऑन डिलीवरी अवेलेबल ऑल ओवर इंडिया. So yes, with token amount which is 15% of the total order value, and there is no cancellation. If there is a cancellation, 10%. But वो होता ही नहीं है. But मैं एक बता रही हूँ एक पॉलिसी के हिसाब से आपको. I'm just letting you know. So that is all from us today. It's been wonderful and have a great weekend. So holiday भी है Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and so have a good one. I will see you really soon. The offer ends tomorrow. जो time है, it may be 6 p.m. or a little later. We'll keep you posted. We're still figuring it out internally, and we'll post it at what exact time it ends. It ends, my love, it ends. All the videos go away. You know how it is. Anyway, so go for it now. Thank you, and I'll see you really soon again. Bye.